So here I have two equations, f of x equals 2x plus 10 and g of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 15. And the formula to divide both is f over g of x. But a second way to write that, which is easier, is f of x over g of x. So when you put these two equations over each other, you get this: 2x plus 10 over x squared plus 2x minus 15. Now, a way to solve this would be to factor both. So the first part here can be divided by 2 or factored by 2. So when you take out our 2 here of both, you see the 2 here, and they're both divided by 2 over. And here, when you factor this, you get x plus 5 and x minus 3. And if you do the math, you can check. So x plus x times x equals x squared. X times negative 3 equals x negative 3x, and x times 5 equals positive 5x. They add up to positive 2, and 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15. Okay, so as you can see here, these two are equal, so this goes into elimination. So what you do is eliminate these both, and what's left is 2 over x minus 3. Lesson 1 learned. So the second way to divide functions is to use long division. So instead of doing this, we will do the following: g of x, and we do the long division symbol, and we do f of x. So in this case, what will happen would be x plus 1, and that would divide x squared plus 6x plus 5. So this function long division is the same thing as a normal long division, and just to better understand the formulas, what we're going to use is a simple long division. So in this example, so 7 divided by 315. So what do you do in long division? So how many 7s would get into 31? The closest answer would be 4, which 7 times 4 equals 28. And when you divide that, the leftover is 3. So you send 5 down, and equals 35. So how many 7s are going to 35? The answer is 5. And also 5 times 7 is 35. You subtract, and it's 0. Same thing here. So what you do is, how many x plus 1s can go to x squared plus 6x? The answer is x. So when you multiply, it goes x squared plus x, because it's 1x, and same thing as x. Again, you subtract. What will be left over will be 5x, bring down to 5, so plus 5. And now, how many x plus 1s will go into 5x plus 5? The answer will be positive 5, which would be equal to 5x plus 5. 0. So what's left again? 5 plus x.